Today we're featuring a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. It's got 42,000 miles on it. It is a four-wheel drive. All right, it's granite crystal metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, notice it's got the chrome caps here on the side mirrors with the turn signals. Chrome door handles with the lock unlock button there. All right, driver's side of the Jeep's in good shape. All right, it is equipped with rear park assist and rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on this Jeep. Well taken care of. 2015, 42,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the black on black door panels. It does have driver memory seats. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, black leather. It's a power driver seat. Leather's in good shape. All right, it is an automatic. All right, got your four-wheel drive selection there, and I'll show you that in just a second. It does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat leather's in good shape. Alright, it does have your dual climate controls, and it's got a whole bunch of stuff here, and I'll show you that in a second, but backup camera, navigation, heated seats, heated wheel, and that's all on the display there. It does have your push button start, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls with Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 42,021 miles on it. Now that we've got started here, I'm going to go ahead and show you the navigation. Let me see if I can dim that down just a bit. There we go, that might be a little better. Alright, there's your navigation. Okay, and it's got all kinds of selections down here. You can go to controls. That's where you get your heated wheel, heated seats. Okay, it's even got an apps button where it'll show you all your apps. And then back to your radio. There's your dual climate controls there. It does have illuminated cup holders. Here, I'll try to get you a shot of this. It's got a SD card reader, USB auxiliary, and power outlet there. Okay, and then back to the four-wheel drive. Okay, you got different selections: sand, snow, mud, rock, 4 low. All right, so it is a four-wheel drive. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. And since it's black leather, let me go ahead and open up this passenger side here. Let a little more light get in there. Alright. Back seat leather's in good shape. Alright, and it does have that center console that comes down with the cup holders. Alright. But everything back here with the leather is good. We'll get down here and show you. It does have the USB ports back here. Power outlet and rear heated seats. Okay, carpet's in good shape back here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the layout of the dash. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, power liftgate. Nice and smooth coming up. Alright, carpet back here is in good shape. Convenient power outlet here. All right, got your spare tire there with the jack. All right, and then to activate the liftgate, simply press that button there. Nice and smooth coming down. Let's check out your wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Four-wheel drive, 42,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.